Alright guys, again we back to the question number 6. So question number 6, given that the vector field D equals to gradient E and E equals to Z cos phi plus rho square Z square sin phi minus cos square phi, check whether the vector field D is diverging or converging. Illustrate D with 8 of diagrams. You see, oh, there's an S over here, isn't it? It means that you might have more than one diagram to draw, okay? So when you look at the question number 6, you will find that it's quite similar to question number 5, okay, but it doesn't matter, okay, just for practice. First of all, we want to find the divergence of D, but the vector field D is not available, and then given that the vector field D actually can be presented, can be found through the gradient of scalar field E. Never mind. So first of all, we try to find what is the scalar field E for the cylindrical, okay. So this is a cylindrical, and then we try to do the term by term, okay. Derive or differentiate the E with the rho, and thus we get this. And then again we differentiate the E with 5, and then we get this. But don't forget that we need to multiply 1 over rho, multiply with 1 over rho or divide rho, up to you, okay. So and then the last one, differentiate the E with Z, so we get this. So after simplify it, we get this as a final output for the gradient E. So again, for your information, the 2 cos phi sin phi actually can be simplified as the sin 2 phi, so that it is easier for us to conduct the differentiation later. Okay, so after we find the gradient E, so similarly we need to determine the divergence of the vector field D. Okay, so again we try to find what is the divergence equation for the cylindrical. So first of all, we go to figure out what is the component of arrow in the vector function D. So obviously this is the one, then we multiply with the rho, okay. So from the textbook you can find this equation, seriously, okay. This is important, this is important. And then plus, okay, 1 over rho here, and then differentiate the D phi with 5. So at last we get this. Please double check, because I prepared this video quite rushed, so I do not double check. So if you find that there's some error, please inform the lecturer or me so that we can double check, okay. So and then the last one, we need to differentiate the component of AZ from D with Z. So at last we get this, okay. Try to compare my solution and your solution. So at last this is what we get, okay. So again, it is not equals to 0, okay. So it is not equal to 0. So in the video 5, I told you that if it is not equals to 0, so it is mean that it is either diverge, okay, or it is converge, okay. It diverge or it is converge. Still remember the extra tips that I provided in the previous video, okay. The divergence vector field A, if it is equal to 0, what is the possible diagram that you need to draw? Check the A and C, isn't it? So it refers to this figure or this figure, okay. Okay, please check. In the tutorial question, it's asked for to draw the to draw the diagrams. Plural means that you need to draw more than one diagram. So obviously, regardless that you have the divergence A equals 0 or you have a divergence A not equal to 0, okay, you can also provide two diagram, but only the diagram is different. So again, I would like to highlight it again. I want to remind you again that if you get the divergence of vector field A equals to 0, actually it is referred to the diagram A and not all, and the Y diagram C, both, okay. That's all. Thank you very much, and then please again stay close with me because I'm going to prepare the extra tutorial for you, okay, and then the solution will be given to, okay. But before I provide you the solution, I will share you the question first, okay. Again, stay close. The lecturer will circulate the question of tutorial amongst you, among the student. Okay, while you are since that due to the COVID 19, okay, a lot of students might is encouraged not to travel around, okay, stay indoor, and then why don't you take this opportunity to solve all the tutorial questions that prepared by the lecturer. Is good for you because once the curfew is stopped, okay, is stopped, then we might anytime start to conduct the midterm test. Okay, so stay close and stay healthy. Thank you very much.